Alexis Sunshine 83, it's always sunny here. Boop.
Hey Sunshiners, Alexis Sunshine 83 right here. Hello, hello, super sunny day. What is up? Now I know this background not that cute, but I figured that is basically the exact theme for today's video. A big ol' closet declutter. I'm gonna get rid of clothes. I'm gonna be brutal. I don't know why I'm doing like this to my clothes. Basically, my washing machine broke last week, which is why I have no bedding on my bed because I just got it fixed yesterday. So I've been doing just so much wash. During that time that I didn't have a washing machine, all of my favorite clothes that I always wear were too dirty to wear. I found it really difficult to kind of step outside that comfort zone and wear the other pieces that are in my closet that are literally like overflowing my closet, yet I'm still stuck on that one t-shirt that's in the dirty hamper and I can't even focus on the cute other clothes because to me, I just didn't want to wear it. And it kind of like sparked this like, maybe I do have clothes in my closet that I don't love as much as I did when I originally thrifted them. Most of them obviously are thrifted. And I know this is probably the 4th closet decluttering video I've done in this room, but holy moly, I need to do it again. When you thrift as much as me, you accumulate a lot of stuff. With fall coming up, I know I'm gonna be thrifting some fall sweaters. So I just need to kind of do a nice refresh. There's some things that are going to be changing in the next like month and I'm so excited for, so I figured it was the perfect time to do this. And also it's sponsored by Poshmark. Yes, I am partnering with Poshmark again. I personally sold so many items on there and also purchased so many items on there. It's really great if you don't have any thrift stores near you and you still want to buy secondhand. It is the easiest way to sell items from your closet clean out, and they just launched this home section, which I am all about home decor, bedding, accents, stationery, and all that jazz. So definitely download the app using the link in my description box and sign up today using my referral code alexasunshine83 to save $10 off your first purchase. You can shop from my closet or other people's closet. A lot of the items I'm going to be going through today that I'm not feeling, I'm going to be putting on my Poshmark. And after doing all my wash, as you can see, I just have so many more clothes. It is just needing to happen, and hopefully you guys will feel inspired to take a look at your closet and give it a little. Let me just show you. So we have that bunches of clothes. We then have that bunches of clothes. We got some clothes on there. And then we actually have my closet. It's bad in the fact that there's just so many clothes that I don't wear nor particularly love. I also have just a pile of clothes that's in kind of my office that I had decluttered quite a while ago that I just never put on my Poshmark. So these are gonna make up quite a lot of the pieces that I'm gonna be putting up. I think I'm also gonna do it kind of like trying on all my clothes. I'm not gonna try on all my clothes because gosh darn, we'd be here for hours, but I think I'm gonna try on the clothes that I already know I'm kind of like a maybe about and really kind of like solidify my decision on them. Say hello to my closet. Okay, so I think my plan is gonna be taking out my jeans first because I feel like that's like the biggest thing that I really want to kind of go through. I know I've just been hoarding so many because I don't know, I just find a really nice pair of jeans that don't particularly fit me, but I'm just like attached to it way too much. So that's what I'm kind of hoping to do with this. That's my no pile. On the bed will be my yes pile. The first ones, just because they're right here, and also the pants I'm wearing, I'm keeping, definitely. These ones are the BDG jeans, and I think I shrunk them pretty well, so I'm definitely gonna keep them. Here, let me just take out all my jeans. The first pair I see are these Tommy Hilfiger jeans that I got. They were expensive. They were like $40, and looking back, they are cute, but I just haven't honestly worn them at all. I do have the Tommy Hilfiger thing on there, but I'm like, am I just keeping them because I feel like I should keep them? I think this will also help me to like remember the things that are in my closet because sometimes I forget. There's just so much in there. Okay, you know what? I'm actually quite surprised that I forgot that they are kind of high-waisted. Like, I don't know why I thought they were low-waisted. I think I'm gonna keep them, which is really surprising because I was totally ready to just say goodbye to them. I think I want to give them another go. I thought they were like my Levi 501s where, yes, I love these, but they are not really high-waisted and I wouldn't really wear them without wearing a shirt that covers the front of them. So these ones I'm actually definitely getting rid of. So my 501s are saying goodbye, but I think these Tommy ones are saying hello. Okay, these ones I love so much. They're originally from Route 66. I will never be saying goodbye to these. These are like my ultimate mom jeans. Look how great they are. This is a little bit like a denim collection video, not on purpose. These are my Wrangler jeans that have no pockets in the back, and I love these things, so I'm not even gonna try them on because I know I love them. Got the chocolate stain out so it doesn't look like I pooped myself anymore. Ooh, okay, so these are some Wrangler jeans as well. I love these things. I really want to learn how to kind of take in jeans because there's really not that much like fabric that's loose. Like, I feel like it could be really easy with a sewing machine. That's kind of my next thrift flip idea once I learn how to sew. So even though they don't fit me right now, they are on my project list. These ones are the Forever 21 jeans that are super distressed, but I don't know about these because they definitely are not high-waisted. And like, again, I mean, them with a sweatshirt though would be so cute. I think I'm gonna keep them. We're just gonna hold off on them. I obviously am gonna keep these Anchor blue jeans because they have the flames on it, which Jessica made for me. I don't wear them that often because they are insanely high-waisted. These are just so intense. Like, and they do fit me quite well, so I feel like for a good pair of high-waisted shorts, I'm gonna keep them. They don't, oh, they do kind of go up, you know, that area if I sit down. These shorts I wear all the time. If you've seen me in some blue shorts, they're these. And I've had these for probably over a year. These are some Lee shorts. They fit quite well. These pants are so adorable. They have like little flowers on them, and I am gonna keep them just because I love the design on them. They're high-waisted. Alas, these shorts, they're originally from Levi's. They're 501s and they're in the size 33. I got them at Plato's Closet, and it's not that I don't like them, they just don't fit me right. Literally haven't worn them once, so I am going to be putting these on my Poshmark. These green jeans I really like. They're really comfy. I think I will wear them in the fall. Yeah, they're so comfy. I'm definitely going to keep these. Oh yeah, these shorts, I haven't worn that much, honestly. They're originally from Wrangler. I do kind of like them, but also like I haven't grabbed them or anything. So I think I'm going to also put these on my Poshmark. Ooh, it's a skirt. I don't know about this skirt. It doesn't have like belt loops, but at the same time, I feel like putting belt loops wouldn't be that difficult. I'm gonna keep this. It is a little bit loose, but I think I can still make it work. These Levi's are the 550 in size 32. I think I am gonna keep these because they are really comfy and they are definitely a little bit big, but I know I can put a belt with them. And Jessica works, I'm Beauty and I'm Grace. These are the little boy jeans, and I think I'm gonna say goodbye to these. I do really like them, but again, they're like really hugging a specific area that's not very comfortable. I am 5'7.5" and my legs are quite long, so they're quite cropped on me because they're for a little boy. If you're shorter than me, they probably would be like the perfect pair of mom jeans. Some Lee jeans. These are kind of the perfect, just like oversized mom jean. They are really nice, but I don't know. I think I will put these on my Poshmark, which makes me quite sad because I do like them. I just know, again, trying to be ruthless, okay? My Calvin Klein jeans. I love these things, even though they're a tad oversized, they're just so comfy, so I'm definitely keeping them. These are the Levi's I got at the Goodwill outlet, and these ones, oh yeah, these ones are the pink ones, so I am going to keep these. I haven't worn these yet. I know I was excited when I got them, so I am gonna say goodbye to them, which originally when I got them, I was really excited about them, but I just haven't worn them. I'm definitely getting rid of these. They are originally from Levi's. They're 501s. They're in a size 31, but the length is 36. And my gosh, it is difficult for me to find jeans that are number one, long enough, but number two, even longer than my legs, and that's how these ones are. So if you are taller than me, or you like cuffing your jeans, or you can just cut them, to be honest. I don't like love the fit anyway, so I am going to put those on my Poshmark. The last two jeans, these ones are originally from High Sierra. They are quite cropped on me, but I really like the fit of them, so I am gonna keep them, but I think I am gonna say goodbye to these. I just haven't worn them. I do love the style of them, which they have like the flame on the side. Like, that is so cool, and I know somebody that's a little bit more like cooler than me is gonna wear them just like perfectly. Goodbye. So jean wise, I feel pretty good about all the jeans that I chose, and then all the jeans that I'm gonna be saying goodbye to. We're gonna go back into my closet, and I'm honestly just gonna go through it and like go through it. Got my coffee. Look at, it's a cat mug. It's not good. I'm really trying to get myself to like not go to Starbucks so much during the day, get my addiction not as expensive. Okay, what are we gonna start with? So the first thing I see is on the ground. It is this Harley Davidson tank top, and I've known that I was gonna probably say goodbye to this just because I literally haven't worn it. Maybe I did once, don't really remember, so I am going to say so long to you, my friend. These I all want to keep, so I'm just gonna get them out of the way. I'm basically just making my room a lot more messy, but like an organized mess. Ooh, my Australian sweatshirt, really like this. Denim jackets, yes. No, this one is originally from Forever 21. It is in a extra large, I think, and just haven't worn it. It's not a super thick kind of denim, which is what I personally prefer, so I am gonna say goodbye to that. Yeah, I like this vest. Winnie the Pooh, heck yes. This dress, I don't know. The thing is, I see it with like a white long sleeve, and I'm like, that would be really cute. Like, I could totally see that. I'm gonna say yes. I think it's time to give them a better home because I have been neglecting them. These white ones I think are really cute. They're a little bit more of like an off-white. They're originally by Dickies and haven't worn them since I got them. Just scratch myself. I'm gonna say goodbye because I think I'm gonna keep my like ultimate favorite overalls that I literally love to death. No, I'm gonna keep them. Had a moment. This skirt I am definitely keeping. I just need to hang it up. This dress I really like. My new favorite Harley Davidson shirt, long sleeve thing. I love this thing to death. Yeah, I like this dress. This Harley tee, this car tee, this Winnie the Pooh tee, this Harley tee, this Harley tee. Yes. The thing is, when I got it, I loved it because very much like Harley Davidson logo, but I finally thrifted a shirt that's basically everything that I've wanted. That was what I was trying to compensate with this shirt, so I think I'm gonna say goodbye to it. It is really cute. This Harley shirt, I think I'm gonna say goodbye. I love the wolf, I love it. Howling at the moon. This wolf tee, I love, I'm keeping. NSYNC shirt, love, keeping. This Backstreet Boys shirt is awesome, and the thing is, I have an emotional connection to it from when Carrie found it for me at the Melrose Trading Post. I think that was the very first time we ever went to the Melrose Trading Post, and like, I just remember that day. The thing is, I found another Backstreet Boys t-shirt, I think at the Rose Bowl, and I think Carrie also helped me find that, so I like that one better. I wear it way more, so I think I'm also going to say goodbye to this. Also, really sad to say goodbye, but I literally never wear it. If it was a different size, I probably would, but it's a little bit more fitted. It's this Britney Spears t-shirt, and I'm sorry, Britney, I still love you, but this shirt just, I was trying to think of a Britney song that would like go with that, but I can't think of one. Okay, this, literally haven't worn it, really sad. I got it from Plato's Closet. I saw it a couple of times, and then I finally picked it up because I was like, this is meant to be, but I really haven't worn it. This one, I'm also really sad because I haven't worn it, but I should wear it. It's like, it's a really cool shirt, and I probably paid like $30 for it, but you know what? Ruthless. Twilight, I guess, yes. This Harley shirt, I'm gonna say goodbye. It's more of a fitted Harley tee. I just haven't really worn it. It's like bedazzled on the front, which I think is really cool. Love this. Ooh, I totally forgot I had this NSYNC shirt. Yeah, I'm gonna keep my other one too. This, I'm gonna say goodbye. This cat shirt, I'm gonna say hello. I love this shirt, and then I love this one. I thrift flipped it with Jessica, and I just think it's so cute. Yeah. This sweatshirt I still love. This Tommy t-shirt I love. I mostly wear it to bed, but I love it so much. This Stanford sweatshirt, obviously keeping it. I paid $10 for a sweatshirt, okay. Forgetting, did I get this in England? I don't remember, but I think I'm gonna say goodbye to it. Ooh, this Harley tank top, I'm gonna say goodbye. I don't remember where I found it, but I think it's really cute. I really like the like flames on it and everything. I just haven't worn it. This is just a black tank top I'm going to keep. Ooh, this shirt, it's a Tinkerbell shirt. I just haven't grabbed it that much. I'm keeping it. It's a pajama shirt. Any shirt that I don't wear that much that is really comfy, I'm just gonna say it's a pajama shirt. This is okay. I think I'm gonna say goodbye to it. Hat pajamas, heck yes. What are you? Oh yeah. Oh, these are some Gymshark workout leggings that I got probably a year ago. I originally have some Gymshark leggings from like 2 years ago, and those ones are just so amazing. It had been a year, and I was like, you know what? I really like these leggings. I only have one pair. I'm just gonna purchase another pair. Got these. They do not fit the same whatsoever. These all fit like okay, but not the same as those other ones, so I haven't worn them. So maybe somebody will like some Gymshark leggings. And the thing is, like, I don't really buy fast fashion, or to an extent, if I do, like, it's something that I've really thought about and that I really want, like my Doc Martens. So when I buy something and then it doesn't even like work, it makes me like, ugh. It's just a tank top that I like. Oh yeah, I totally forgot about this shirt. I just need to not put stuff on the top of my shelf. I think I want to like put some like decor instead to just make my closet like pretty. I want to put some lights up, even though I'm like not in here that often. I just want to make it go with my room versus like just this dark insert that just holds my clothes that I get messy because it's not cute anyway. I'm just trying to figure out different ways to keep my stuff clean. This shirt's dress, still feel this. My thrift flip. This shirt my boyfriend got me, and he knows I love my oversized tees, so he got it a little bit oversized. You know what? In the last decluttering video, I held this shirt up and I was like, I'm gonna wear this. Haven't worn it, so I'm gonna say goodbye to it. I really like this shirt, so yes. Girls Run Things. I haven't worn this in a really long time. I definitely need to clean it. I think I'm gonna keep it because I really like the style and the fit of it. My dog Halloween shirt. My Eeyore shirt. Yes. This one I haven't worn, and it's such a cool shirt. I think I'm gonna say goodbye to it, even though I literally just bought it. It's so cool, but it's not me. These are my favorite overalls. Probably paid like $50 for them, and I will keep them forever. Yeah, yes and yes. This shirt I think I got at the Goodwill outlet, and I'm so upset because I didn't realize that there's this like massive hole in it. I think I'll wear it. It'll just be like a nice little like exit for all my underarm sweat. Do you understand this shirt? Of course. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, DKNY. It's just like those other jeans that I have. Didn't even realize that. Really like the color. Obviously keeping. Yeah. Basically at the end where now I really like everything. There's still like weird stuff, but I do like everything. This I'm gonna say goodbye to. It'd be really great for fall. I'm gonna say goodbye to this. Yes, 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 yes. Oh, this is like this bra I got from Aerie because I hate wearing bras. I bought one, didn't even take it out because I thought it was like padded. Not to like push them up, but just to like not show my nipple. And I just never returned them. So I think I'm gonna put them on my Poshmark. Personally, I like to color code my clothing. So I'm gonna just attempt that real quick. Am I gonna put all my jeans and stuff? Crap. Okay, let me just show you what my room looks like right now and what I still need to now organize. That. Those are goodbye stuff. And that. And the reason why I'm not necessarily going through the other clothes and kind of being like, do I want to keep this, do I not, is because this big pile is stuff that I just thrifted and stuff over there I just cleaned, expedited the things that I love the most, like on top to clean, which is all that stuff. So I know for sure that I do love it. I do need to hang all the rest of the stuff up and hopefully have some room in my closet, fingers crossed. This is all the stuff I thrifted at the Goodwill outlet. I've cleaned it and everything, and it's time to put it in my closet if I still have some room. These are the jeans I thrifted at the Goodwill outlet. What were the other jeans I just had? These Levi's are actually the ones that I got from the other Goodwill outlet, and I remember they don't fit me, so I'm gonna say goodbye to them. Totally forgot about this Harley tee. Just says power on it, and actually wear it quite a lot, but I think I'm gonna say goodbye to it. I think this Instinct shirt is also going to Poshmark. The material I just don't really like, and because it's not like a stiff material, it just reminds me of like girl shirt material. You know how there's a difference between like guy shirt material and girl shirt material? Well, this one's definitely a girl shirt material. Such a good Harley tee. There's just ones where like I look at them and I'm like, I love you. Sweaty after that. I feel so productive, and my closet is definitely not done in the fact that I want to make it just a little bit more quote-unquote aesthetic. I don't know if I'll put a bunch of vines in there, but maybe some like faux plants. If you want to check out any of the items that I will be selling, definitely download the app with the link right down below and sign up today with using my referral code alexasunshine83 to get $10 off your first purchase. And I'm pretty sure this will not be my last decluttering video, hopefully not for a while. And the reason it's like that is because I go thrifting so often, which if you like thrifting videos, thrift hauls, thrifting with me's, make sure you hit subscribe right down below and hit that little bell to be notified every time I make a new video. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, alexasunshine83, to keep up to date with me during the week. I will see you guys on Sunday with a brand new Sunday video. Enjoy life, be happy, and I love you lots. Bye!